Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Angela 2.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series, where we provide you with the tools and insights to navigate the world of artificial intelligence. In our last episode, we explored robotics AI solutions, where AI is powering advancements in robotics, automation, and autonomous systems. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of gaming AI solutions, where AI is reshaping how games are developed, played, and experienced. From generating entire game worlds to creating lifelike characters and even mastering complex game strategies, AI is bringing new possibilities to the gaming industry. Let's explore how these innovations work. Gaming AI solutions are changing the way games are built and played by introducing AI-driven creativity, interaction, and strategy. These solutions allow developers to create smarter opponents, richer worlds, and more engaging player experiences. Let's break down how different AI models and tools are helping game developers and players alike. Procedural generation. AI can automatically generate new levels, environments, or game scenarios, saving time and adding variety. AI-driven gameplay. AI models can serve as opponents that learn and adapt to players' strategies, offering dynamic and challenging experiences. Player behavior analytics. AI tools can analyze how players interact with the game, helping developers improve gameplay and personalize the player's experience. Now, let's explore some of the most impactful AI models transforming gaming. AlphaStar. Developed by DeepMind, AlphaStar is one of the most advanced AI models for mastering real-time strategy games like StarCraft 2. AlphaStar excels at resource management, long-term planning, and adapting strategies mid-game. By analyzing vast amounts of data, it learns how to manage resources, build units, and respond to threats, offering a formidable challenge for human players. NVIDIA GameGAN. This is a generative adversarial network, GAN, that can simulate entire game environments. With GameGAN, developers can generate new levels or game scenarios on the fly, saving time in creating content and allowing for endless creativity. The model learns the rules of the game by observing gameplay and can create new environments based on that knowledge. ChatGPT for games. AI isn't just changing the mechanics of games, it's also revolutionizing how stories are told and how characters interact. ChatGPT for games allows developers to create dynamic dialogue and interactive storytelling experiences. By generating natural language responses, ChatGPT can bring non-player characters, NPCs, to life, making them more responsive, immersive, and engaging for players. Imagine interacting with an NPC that can adapt its dialogue based on the player's decisions. It takes in-game conversations to a whole new level. Beyond the models, let's explore the tools that are enhancing the gaming experience by making it easier for developers to build immersive worlds. Leonardo AI, a powerful tool for generating high-quality game assets, from textures to characters and environments. This tool helps game developers create stunning visuals faster and more efficiently, offering endless possibilities for creative expression in gaming. InWorld. This tool specializes in creating intelligent NPCs that react and respond to players in real time, using AI to provide more human-like interactions. With InWorld, developers can build characters that engage players in meaningful ways, enhancing the depth of storytelling and immersion. Scenario.com. This tool allows developers to generate custom in-game assets like environments, textures, and visual elements tailored to the specific needs of their game. By automating the asset creation process, Scenario.com helps developers focus more on creativity and gameplay. The gaming AI community actively shares and collaborates through development platforms. GitHub hosts numerous repositories for game development AI, including frameworks for game AI development, procedural content generation, character behavior systems, game testing automation. Hugging Face provides resources specifically for gaming AI, offering pre-trained models for game content generation, tools for implementing AI-driven characters, Datasets for training game-specific AI models. Our AI Solutions Marketplace helps you navigate these resources by curating the most effective gaming AI solutions. We provide direct links to model repositories, and we include community feedback and use cases with user reviews. Our gaming AI category is updated in real time to include all of the latest advancements in gaming AI models, tools, and platforms. Whether you're developing solutions for gaming environments, dynamic and challenging player opponents, or a more personalized player experience, our marketplace can guide you to the right implementation resources and connect you with relevant development platforms. Gaming AI solutions are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in game development, offering both developers and players new opportunities. Let's take a look at some key use cases. AI-generated game worlds. Tools like Leonardo AI and Scenario.com allow developers to create visually rich and varied environments with minimal manual effort. With AI's help, developers can produce entire game worlds that evolve and change, offering new content to players every time they log in. Interactive storytelling and dialogue. Models like ChatGPT for games are revolutionizing how players interact with NPCs. With AI-generated dialogue, these characters can respond intelligently to player actions, offering more personalized and immersive experiences. Real-time strategy mastery. AlphaStar represents AI's ability to master complex real-time strategy games by analyzing massive amounts of data, making split-second decisions, and adapting to evolving scenarios. This not only makes AI opponents more challenging but also shows the potential for AI to be used in future games that require deep strategic thinking. These innovations are just a glimpse of how AI is shaping the future of gaming. At newbits.ai, you can explore a wide range of gaming AI models and tools in our AI Solutions Marketplace, where you'll find solutions tailored to your needs. In our next episode, we'll discuss cross-domain AI projects, where we explore how AI solutions from different categories can work together to build more complex and innovative applications. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.